To clean the condenser in the device with top-mounted unit, we need a ladder on which we can safely climb and a vacuum cleaner with a soft bristle tip. Before cleaning the condenser, turn the device off using the main switch. Unplug the device from the power supply. Cleaning the condenser, make vertical movements. For heavily soiled condensers that we have not cleaned for a long time, blowing the condenser with the compressed air is a good method. We do it from the engine side using a long tip gun. Put the gun tip gently into the condenser and blow it out. Make moves carefully. After cleaning, plug the device to the power supply. Restart the device with the main switch. Remember to clean the condenser at least once a month.